How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? You just tuned in to Micah being a better me every day, and I hope you enjoy this show. Hit the clip.
Hi, I'm Julia, and I'm being a better me every day.
My name is Keon Lovey, and I'm being a better me every day.
Being a better me.
Better me.
Better me every day.
Being a better me every day.
Every day.
Better me each and every day.
Ruben, and I'm being a better me every day. Micah.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Yo, it's Micah, being a better me every day. We on season 5, and I thank you, first of all, for tuning in to listening to what I gotta say, because what I want to say is just a better you. All right? Today's topic is let yourself succeed. Okay, you could probably do it in a proper turn. Let yourself succeed. I'm just saying, let yourself succeed. Seriously, and if there was like a subtopic to any of this, it would be stop cheating yourself. Now, the reason why I'm saying let yourself succeed, because you're like, yo, I'm not letting myself succeed. I'm not letting myself do what I want. What are you trying to say? What I'm trying to say is you put in, let's say, okay, you got the motivation, you doing things right, you trying to have a better attitude. Where are you having a better attitude at? Okay? You're having a better attitude probably at your job. You're having a better attitude probably in school. Trying to have a better attitude with certain friends. All right? But are you having a better attitude towards you? The reason why I say this is because you need to start doing what you need to do to make sure you're at where you want to be at. I am a big advocate of always putting others before myself. I've always wanted a certain privilege to let somebody know that I care for you more than I do, and I'm selfless, which we talked about before. However, in order to be in this position, you need to stop cheating yourself, because you can't be in that position unless you get your head right. Let yourself succeed. This is, again, what it means. It means put in 100 when you're not at work. Still put in 100 when you're not at school. Still put in 100 when you are away from everybody and it's just you. You need to find your motivation within you, okay? Because if you put 100 in all of your work, you put 100 in all of your job, all of your school, you're not actually putting 100 on yourself. When I say this, do more for what will help you be in the position that you need to be in, okay? What do you want to do? If you find out what you want to do, actually work at trying to do it, all right? Stop putting 100 at your job that has nothing pertaining to what you want to do, and then you go home and you watch Netflix, you watching TV, you playing some games. Ain't nothing fully wrong with that, but if you aren't putting more time in to what you need to be, then you're cheating yourself. Stop cheating yourself and let yourself succeed. For real. Just really be passionate about what you want to have an effect on in your life. Okay? I know you have such you have such a talent, and you might not even know it yet, but you have a talent, and you need the world to see it. You need the world to know it, all right? Stop cheating yourself, okay? Do what you need to do, whatever. And if you feel like you don't have the resources, get them. If you feel like you need to be somewhere else, go there. And you're probably saying, Mike, it's harder than that. You gotta do more than that. I might have this to do. I might have that to do. Here's what I'm saying. If you keep making excuses, I promise you, it will never get done. It will never get done. Yes, you might have this and that. Yes, you might have a kid. And you know what? Yes, you might have a certain obligation to where you're at, or certain obligations to someone. I get that. All I'm saying is move past the obstacles, or move through those obstacles. You need to stop making excuses. I promise you, you won't get there if you keep making them. All right? You might have certain things that you're obligated to, but you're also obligated to yourself, okay? Stop cheating yourself. Let yourself succeed. Super simple, super easy. Y'all have a great rest of your day. You deserve it. Keep being a better you.